Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video for you, and it is a Valentine's special one-off box from Masktime, and this is what the outer box looks like. So this Valentine's love box is to be shared with your loved one or a best friend, etc. But I'm really excited to try it. It's not a subscription, they're only doing it just for Valentine's, and it costs £15.19. They do ship worldwide, but if you go to checkout, type in or search for your country from the list, then it'll give you the shipping amount then. So if you didn't already know, Masktime sends me out their subscription boxes every couple of months just to unbox on my channel. They send it to me for free and for me to unbox and do a review. And I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. It's all 100% Korean, new, up and coming, trendy sheet masks. Quite unusual, quite unique, and yeah, I love it. If you're interested to see what the subscription of Masktime is like, I will add a card up above, and everything related to the subscription and to this box here, I will link down below. So click on the show more, that will bring up description, and everything will be related. Everything will be down there if you want to take a look. So yeah, so this box then, it's to be shared. So it's not just for you. So when I found out about it, I was like, oh yes, I'd love it, please, thank you. This is what it looks like inside. So it says here self-love box, and I'll give that a little bit of a read in a minute, but look how pretty the packaging is. Can you see how sparkly it is? So pretty. Let's open it up. So as with all their boxes, we get a little leaflet, and it tells you everything about the products inside this box. And here are all the items. Ooh, what you can't see much in there. Oh my gosh, look, we got, it looks like a headband or something. I'm not doing a good job at showing you here, but anyway, I'll put this down to the side of me, and then I'll grab an item and show you, and then we can refer back to that leaflet. Glow from the heart. Happy Valentine's Day. We've curated a special self-care box for you and your loved one or BFF to share, because sharing is caring. With the cold weather in full swing, we want your skin to feel loved up. These sheet masks will work wonders to provide deep hydration and keep you glowing, whether you're out or snuggled in the home. And then it just gives you, it's got sheety tips. It tells you some tips on how best to use the products, which are down there. So if you're interested in subscribing to Masktime, they've got a code first10 to get 10% off. Now they range from 4 masks a month for £9.95, or between 10 and 15 masks a month for £24.99. So that'll be listed down below if you're interested. So let's see what the items are. So the first one is a Rosewater Revital mask by D-Mask. That's what that looks like there. Oh wow, Rosewater is supposed to be amazing for your skin. It's all in Korean, so that's why it's good to have the information on here. So this is a D-Mask Rosewater sheet mask. Recommended retail price is £3.50. Contains 82% of high enriched moisture enhancing rosewater. The 100% hypoallergenic natural cellulose mask gives a glowing and moisturised complexion with no irritation. Rosewater combined with evening primrose extract and adenosine revitalises dull skin and boosts collagen production. So that's the first item. Next we've got a his and hers. I've never seen this before. It looks quite good. It's called a couple pack. It's stress relief, skin firming, aqua double, brightening, skin firming. Oh, it's just repeating. Ignore me. So we've got 2 there. So this is Kokorium couple pack mask sheet. Recommended retail price is £4.50. This super cute double mask set is perfect to use with your BFF or loved one. An all-rounder mask that brightens, firms and hydrates. It's perfect to combat the winter blues. Snail mucin extract deeply moisturises and boosts cell renewal. Hydrolysid collagen targets anti-aging, and tea tree extract soothe irritated and blemish prone skin. So that is that. Next we've got a Mere Bliss, and it's a wedding dress too. Oh wow, oh the packaging is super smart. Wow, it says signature whitening master seal mask. Ooh, it feels really nice. For an outside packaging, that is. So that's what that looks like there. Why is it wedding dress then? What's it say? So this is by Mere Bliss, wedding dress 2, recommended retail price is £4. We all loved the original version, and now it's back thinner and even better. It adheres to your face like second skin, soaked in niacinamide to brighten tired complexions, jasmine flower water and jojoba extract calm and soothe any redness. So I'm not sure why it's wedding dress, but no, it seems quite nice. It sounds really nice anyway, so we got that one. Then we've got a 3-step, it looks like a lip kit type thing by Golden Monkey. We got, yeah, it's 3-step. So the first step is lip peeling patch. Second step is lip volume pack, and third step is lip honey essence. Oh, whoa, that sounds really nice. So you've got 3-step there, can you see? Oh, that sounds really, really lovely. I can feel a lip shape thing there. So what's it say here? Holika Golden Monkey Glamour Lip 3-step kit would cost you £4. 3 steps and just 1 sit-in is all it takes to transform chapped lips so that they're soft and subtle. Supple, not subtle. You don't want subtle. How to use. Step 1 is a gentle pad that lightly exfoliates dead skin while botanical extracts nourish the thin, delicate skin. Step 2 is a hydrogel mask that effectively delivers a soothing and ultra hydrating serum right onto your lips. This serum features hero ingredients like hyaluronic acid, hydrolyzed collagen, plus shea butter and jojoba seed oil to ensure smooth skin. Step 3 is a luxe lip oil that includes the healing powers of honey and royal jelly to maintain a perfect set of lush lips. So that was that one. And then the last of the masks is, what is this? This is a 2-step mask as well. So this is Blossom Jeju, the island of flowers and fruits, deep nourishing, red camellia zombie, 2-step deep nourishing petal mask. Okay, so we've got a mask and a facial oil there. That sounds really nice. Got the oil down there and the masks. So what's it say here? The recommended retail price for this is £4.99. This ingenious 2-step mask harnesses the power of luxurious 100% Jeju camellia oil and a silky sheet mask to create a nourishing, super hydrating masking treatment that leaves skin unbelievably smooth and subtle. Why am I keep saying subtle? You don't want a subtle mask. You want it to give good results, not subtle, supple. After cleansing, apply a few drops of oil from step 1. Unfold the mask, lay the sheet mask over your face and press lightly with your fingertips to set it in place. Leave for 20 minutes, then peel off. Gently pat any remaining residue onto the skin. Follow with a few more drops of oil and your regular skincare. So those are the last of the masks, and we've got 2 extra items here. So this, I thought, looked like a chocolate bar when I opened it up, but I don't know what it is. Intense Moisturizing gift 2-piece set. See that there? So there's 2 little rolls of something. I'm not too sure. And it doesn't say. It's not on here. So this is an extra freebie. Oh no, what is it? I've just downloaded an app and it's super handy. Just Google Translate, but you can take a picture of writing and it can translate it for you. Hi, I got it up here. Okay, a set of 2 original Samurai, the reconstructed samurai, based on the theory of Samurai's Trust, the safety and high nutrition line which recovers the original moist skin as if taking a deep sleep, while intensive moisturizer skin toner, Tanahan Essence Liquid Intensive Moisturizing Emulsion. Okay, I've just realised it's got it written here in English. Intensive moisturising skin toner, intensive moisturising emulsion. What a plonker. Let's see what they're like. Oh my gosh, they're really cute. They're really cute, look. So these are freebies. Oop, where is it there? So that's what that looks like there. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, and the last item is pretty cute. It's a headband. Oh my gosh, it's got ears. Look how cute that is. Soft and fluffy. Nice ears. It's got it in here. So these are cat ears headband. Recommended retail price is £5.50. A super cute headband to hold your hair back while you're using all the sheet masks, of course, and totally Instagrammable. Shall I post a picture up on Instagram of me with this on with a mask on my face? I might do me and my husband actually. Yeah. So those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up. So we got 5 sheet masks here. We've got a headband and we got 2 little freebie little sample things there. Moisturizer and essence. So this box costs £15.19 and the value altogether comes to around £26, so definitely more than the cost of the items individually. But yeah, I think it's lovely. I think it's such an amazing idea. Special Valentine's gift. If I didn't know about this, and if John happened to see that there was a special Valentine's mask gift set out there for 15 quid, I would be really chuffed if he bought this for me. I'd be really chuffed. It's something a bit different, isn't it? I just can't wait to see what he's going to be like with this. He's never ever worn a face mask before. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you think this is a really cute box? Do you think it's good value for money? Is it something you're interested in? Or is it you just watch because you just like to watch, see what is out there? All your thoughts and comments, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.